Hello everybody, Photojunky here from Photojunky's Drone Zone. In this video, I am reviewing my 2,000 square foot dehumidifier made by Luko. It is doing pretty good. It's advertised though for 2,000 square feet. This is a garage much smaller than 2,000 square feet, but it does have a 14-foot ceiling. And did it get the humidity way down? No. It's keeping it at about 65 to 62%, which is reasonable considering the humidity in the south here is about 80 to 90%. And sometimes it's even higher than that as I wipe the sweat from my brow. So, first of all, if you are going to vent this thing outside, I'm not sure vent is the right word. If you're going to drain it outside, see this? See this plastic stuff? Don't use this plastic stuff. This is for fish. This is for fish. It's too small a hole. There's too much resistance. You want the thicker, much more, or I should say, less pliable plastic. Also, you want to have your dehumidifier way above, as high as you can get it above where you're going to be draining it to, which helps with the drainage. Now, if you keep on finding that your reservoir keeps on filling up, even though you have drainage, that is the problem. Either there's too much resistance going through this kind of fish line here, this fish tubing, or, well, this is what comes with it. You know, it's 2 feet, so you have to have it right by a window or wherever. If you find that's the problem, get some real plastic stuff here. The garage is big. It's working round the clock, and it is keeping the humidity down, but it's not keeping it as low as I'd like, which would be around 50%. I don't know if that's reasonable or not, but I don't know. My first humidifier, so I don't know. I'm worried about the tools rusting and, you know, all the electronic stuff rusting. So let's take a quick look on how it works. It's very easy, very straightforward. Don't even need directions. Very simple. Turn it on, press the power button. This right now is displaying the humidity in the room. You want a timer? Press the button. 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, and it goes all the way up to 24 hours and then back to 0. Humidity set. Oh, okay, humidity set. I have it set on 50. And speed. Low speed and high speed. Very, very simple. All right, this is the back of the unit where the hose comes out of. It's very simple. So you remove this. This whole piece is the reservoir. If you see water in there and you have a tube on, that means there's resistance. It's not flowing out. When you don't have a tube in there, it will fill up and it turns off automatically, kind of like your toilet. This is the float. This is the float that tells it when it fills up, it rises, and tells it it is full and to stop running. Very simple. So the question is, would I buy another? And the answer is yes. I would buy this unit again, but I may consider, so wipe the sweat off my brow again, I would consider getting a larger one for the garage. The garage is a good sized garage, and it has like a 14-foot ceiling, which is very tall. So I've been running it around the clock. It hasn't hiccuped. It's perfect. It's going, no problems whatsoever. So yes, I would recommend this one. If you have a very large room, get the next one up. Thanks for watching my video.